Purrs like a kitten.
Sure does. Have you seen Casey's new truck?
Look at my new truck from Karl Malone Toyota.
Oh, beautiful.
Listen to this. An alarm system. It's good to be me.
So where are you going today?
We're going to go down to, man, where are we going?
Did you buy this for Casey?
I did, actually. I'm buying one for the entire staff. Everybody on
All
the
right.
staff has one.
I want a Corolla instead
He's
of
our
that.
very own Oprah. Yes, it's special things by Steve. Yes.
He's our Oprah.
Yeah, exactly. We bought them in all different colors, Ron. You can pick pink or yellow.
This is a pretty sweet car.
So where are you going today?
Brian Head, just outside of Cedar City. We're going to go trash the mountain.
Well, I said this once before. If it weren't for your mom or for Karl Malone,
I
you would have a ride.
Are you ready to go?
I think Santa Claus already came to town.
That's
Look at
right.
this puppy right here, huh?
My Santa is Karl Malone Toyota. Thanks, Carl.